If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to get $15 off. To change leverage on TradingView, on your Black Bull account, click Trading Accounts and select Demo. In here, you can see my account in TradingView. If you want to add funds, you can click the Add Funds button and submit it. Now, click the three dot, click Edit Settings, and you will see here the leverage. Select 200 and submit it. And that's how you change leverage on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.